Welcome to LG Homestead. I'm Lori. Today my son Greg and I are going to work on the goat pen and maybe even part of the shelter. Before we get started, I want to point out this is not the typical type of hat that I wear, but I had an awesome subscriber, Rebecca, send it to Greg and I one, and she sent one to my mom and to Greg's friend Hunter. And since today is really cold and windy, I thought today would be a good day to try it out, and I'm really liking it. It feels good. It's keeping my ears warm too. So thank you, Rebecca, for sending these to us. I think I got it. Okay, so we're using the post hole there and then come into a bunch of rock. So we're trying to get the rock up. But we got these T-posts up to there, and these over here. They're not straight. They are as straight as we can get them, at least this time around. Close, they're close. They're close. Good grief, that wind is a lot.
I've got it. This is the source of our trouble. All right there.
That and a few other things.
Whew.
Greg went to get the fencing that we rolled up yesterday. We pulled up yesterday and rolled up from the old house. It's kind of a big piece, and we're gonna see if it'll fit across here. Let me turn this around. We're gonna see if it's a long enough piece to do this side. We're not gonna put it up today. I just want to see if it's gonna be long enough. Shadow, what are you doing? Apparently he went and got the wrong roll. There's a larger roll up there that he's gonna go get, and we'll see if it fits. It will get the side over there. Okay, he brought the other roll, and it's definitely bigger. So we're gonna see if it'll. Whoops, we're gonna see if it'll go all the way down there. Like I said, the one that we laid out and didn't fit, it will definitely fit here. Greg,
What are you doing, Shadow? You gonna go in there?
yeah, he did it in the other. Kitty, don't move the camera. Aw, guys, sorry about that. Cat knocked. Yeah, so this one's plenty big enough. That's good. It is so windy out here. At least we have a plan now concerning the does. We still have to come up with something for the bucks, but I haven't decided where I'm going to put them yet. But the does are going to be right here, right by the house, because when they kid, I want to be able to hear them. I want to be able to just make sure that they're okay. Of course, they'll have Caleb with them, but still. Plus, and this is important. When it's cold or rainy, I don't have to go far to feed them. Okay, right where I'm standing is where I'm going to put their shelter up. But I'm still thinking about using pallets. At least for right now.
in. Aw. All your antennas are in one spot.
That duck is doing better.
Yep.
We went to Mom and Dad's today and got a video of Buddy, Dad's new dog that he got from Walker Farm Fam. I'll put it at the end of this video. So stay around and watch that and see how Buddy's doing.
I built this up this morning.
that's what we've been up to today. We don't have a lot of time here. You know, I work during the week. We've been moving. We've been going back and forth to the other house. And then, you know, 2 days ago it rained, and so I wasn't able to get out here and do anything. So we don't get a lot done in each video that you see. But we are working, and slowly but surely we'll get it done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts or any ideas about the doe's pen and maybe the shelter, let us know in the comment section. We'd love to hear that. I know you have opinions. Everybody does. So everybody go ahead, drop your opinion in the comment section below. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Okay, this is Buddy. This is the puppy we got from Cassie and Gary at Walker Farm Fam. He is getting huge, and he's also a pain. So Dad went out and got him a sister. Greg, show them Buddy's sister. This is Anna. She is half Great Pyrenees and half German Shepherd. Go ahead and let them play. Let's see what they do.
No biting my pants, please.
Don't let her jump on you, though. Get that paper. I had to bring Greg out here because I can't film them. They keep coming up to me.
Your sister is getting on me. Ow.